Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to bend text box in Photoshop. I already added this text box with this text and box. Hold Control, select to, press right click, convert. Oh, sorry. First of all, align middle, then right click, press convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize layer. Then go to edit tab, puppet warp, and added point. See this bent text box. You can edit point anywhere. And another way, press Ctrl T or customize. Customize bend or custom size. Here see upper, lower, black. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.